The topic to discuss today is vision and mission. Vision statement provides for the organization and plans to be in the future oriented to be best with the needs of stakeholder. Vision is kanang ga-identify sa organization nga para mumit sa kanang buhaton nito para sa isang project. Then, a mission statement is a role or purpose by what an organization intends to serve its stakeholder. Ang mission statement is kanang, ang purpose niya is kanang mutabang sa organization para masakto ang project. Then, the compare and contrast of mission statement and vision statement. A mission statement is a short sentence or paragraph used by a company to explain in simple and concise terms the reason of its existence, or a statement that describes the company's objective and its approach to reach those objectives. Mission statement is kani ang paagi para mo kuan sa objective sa isa ka project para masakto ang project. Then vision statement is the short statement that depicts the company's aspiration for the future position of the company. Mali, ang vision is mali ang mutabang sa project or business para malangko ang project. Then, the purpose of mission statement is to inform. Ang vision is to inspire. Ang mission statement is to inform the everyone na unsay purpose na mga project, unsay mga angay buhaton. Then, ang vision is to inspire nga unsay result ito ang mga project. Then, it shows, mission statement shows that what a company wants to do now, then outlines what a company wants to be in the future.
Mission statement. This statement is one siya the dealers, mga stakeholders, investors, planners, customers, predators, employees, competitors, and may akong partner. Then, potential investors may also refer a mission statement to be the values of the company aligns